皆さん、こんにちは。タカです。Last time we studied ひらがな、
なにぬねの、
えん、は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ totally 10 characters. And then this time we are going to study まみむめも、えん、やゆよ So totally 8 characters. Let's get started. 勉強しましょう。
The first character is ma, like ma in mama. The second character is me, like me in meat. The third character is mu, like mu in mu. The fourth character is me, like me in met. The fifth character is mo, like mo in motor. Now let's review the 5 letters again. Please repeat.
ま、み、む、め、も、
Back to the front. Please repeat.
も、め、む、み、ま。
Next, let's read the vocabulary.
ひま、かみ、むし、め、もも。
Next, I'll show you some random letters, so please read them.
も、み、め、む、ま。
Here we go again, in a different order.
め、ま、も、み、む。
Next, we will learn the following 3 characters. The first character is ya, like ya in ya. The second character is you, like you. The third character is yo, like yo in yoga. Now let's review the letters again. Please repeat.
や、ゆ、よ。
Back to the front. Please repeat.
よ、ゆ、や。
Next, let's read the vocabulary.
山、夢、横、
Next, I'll show you some random letters, so please read them.
ゆ、よ、や、
Here we go again, in a different order.
よ、や、ゆ。
Finally, I mix the 8 letters to create random flashcards. Read them aloud as quickly as possible and answer.
む、ゆ、ま、め、や、も、よ、み。
Good luck. Here we go again, in a different order.
ゆ、み、も、よ、め、や、む、ま。
This time, we studied hiragana, まみむめも and やゆよ. So totally 38 hiragana characters. ありがとうございます。Let's study again next time. Bye bye.